Hi everyone, Ravi this side. Welcome to EnggAdda. So today we are going to discuss what is pagination and sorting and how we can implement pagination and sorting in a Spring Boot application. So let's get started for that. So first of all, I will try to discuss what is pagination and sorting. So pagination is nothing but it's a way of describing. So pagination is nothing but it's a way of displaying your data. Like let's say you have around 8,000 record and you want to divide all the 8,000 record in such a way that at one time only 100 record is coming to display. So there is a like 8,000 record are there. At a time only 100 record are being displayed. 8,000 divided by 100 means you have the 80 pages now, and each pages contains the 100 records. So this is how you can divide a whole lot of data into small pages and display them. So this is the concept of pagination. I will try to show you the real example of that. Coming to sorting, let's say you have developed a Spring Boot CRUD project. Let's say product management project. Okay. And there you have four fields: ID, name, price, and the quantity. Let's say you want to sort the result based upon the ID. So that is how you can do the sorting. You want to sort your whole result based upon the name of the product. So you can do that. So this is what pagination and sorting is. Now let me try to go to the browser, and then let me try to go to Flipkart to show you the real example of pagination and sorting. So let me try to find out one product, let's say mobile. Okay. So we are getting this result. You can say uh, the Flipkart has 7,840 result for the mobile, and at a time it is displaying 1 to 24 mobiles. Okay, so let me go down, and here you can see the number of pages. Like there is a like around 8,000 mobiles are there, and they are divided between the 327 pages, and we are seeing the first page. Okay, if you want to go to the next page, you can click on the second, and you can see you are now able to see the products from 25 to 48. Okay, so this is how the pagination is implemented. Okay, and this is what we are going to implement in our Spring Boot application, and this is called offset 1 2 3 4 and like that. Coming to sorting, here you can see, let me try to go there. So you can see this price, so you can sort your product based upon the price. Let's say you want to sort the product between minimum to 10,000. You just click on it, and then you can see the result is coming up, right? So this is how, if you want to sort your product based upon the brand, so you can select it. So once you select, you, let's say I have selected the Realme, you can see those things, right? So this is what the sorting and pagination. Now let me try to go to the IntelliJ, and here you can see I have created one Spring Boot project, and this is the product management project. Let me go to the product controller, and first of all let me go to the product entity, and you can see we have ID, name, and the price and quantity attributes in product entity, right? And this application is up. Let me try to rerun this and go to the product controller, and let me try to show you what all the APIs we have. So we have one get API. Based upon the ID we are filtering the product, based upon the name we are filtering it, we are saving some of the products, updating it and deleting it. So we have all CRUD APIs here. Let me try to hit the find all API to see what all the records we have. Okay, so what is the class level mapping? It is API products. Let me open the Postman here and then show you. So just wait for that. Let it come. Yeah, I think it is up. Now let's say our port number on which our application is up is 9000. Class level mapping is API products. Let me go to the postman and let me try to remove this and just enter. Okay, let me try to remove the forward slash. You can see we have a lot of products. I think we have 300 products. I inserted all of them. So let me go down. So you can see we have 300 products as of now in our database. What I will do, I will try to do the pagination and I will try to display only 10 records at a time. Okay, so let me try to do that. So first of all, okay, before going to write the code for pagination, let me try to write the code for sorting. Okay, so let me go there to the IntelliJ and let me go to the service and let me try to write the code for that. So let's say we want to sort our list of products based upon the particular field. It can be ID, name, price, and the quantity. So let me try to write the code for that. So let's say uh, public and it's returning the list of product. Okay, and let's say sort based upon some field, something like that. Sort based upon some field. Okay, and here we'll try to pass the field name. So let's say it is a string field. Okay, and we are inside this method. Now let me try to filter it out. So with the help of product repository, we'll try to sort all the, like, with the help of product repository, what we'll do, we'll try to find out all the products, and inside that we'll try to sort it out. Okay, so let me try to use the post repository, sorry, product repository. Okay, and then find all, and in find all we'll try to sort it out. So let me try to sort it. So using the sort by, sort dot by, and here we need to pass some parameters. So we need to pass the ascending or descending and the fields name on which you want to sort your whole products. Okay, so you can see this, it is coming as a suggestion. So just click on that and let me try to import the sort here, and let me go there and show you. So it is coming from the Spring framework data domain sort. Okay, now we are good. Okay, so we have created this method. Now let me try to create one API for it. So go to the controller and let me try to copy this. Let me try to copy this get API and paste it here. Come down and let me try to pass the ID from, sorry, field from here. Okay, or something like sort, and then we are passing the field as a path variable. Okay, and let me try to name this sort products, something like that, and we'll try to call the method from the product service, and the method was sort based upon some field, and here we'll pass the field name. Here let me try to use the path variable string field. Let me try to remove this braces. Okay, and we need to pass the field here. So we are good now. Okay, so what we are doing, we have created one product service method where we are filtering out the list of products. Okay, with the help of product repository we are finding out all the product from the database, and then with the help of sort we are filtering it out. Okay, let me try to filter it in the form of ascending order, not descending. Okay, So we are good now. Now, after that, what we did, we went to the product controller, and here we have created one API, and we are passing the field name as a path variable, and then we are passing the field to the product service method that we are calling here. Now let me try to rerun this application and hit this endpoint to see how it is working. Okay, so let me go to the postman, and here it is sort, and then we need to provide the field name. Let's say ID in our case. Let me go to the, yeah, it is up. Now come here and then hit this. So we are good, right? But this is coming as a ascending order. So it is coming how it was coming previously. So let me try to let me try to filter out the list of product based upon the quantity. We can see the quantity is different everywhere, right? So based upon the quantity, let me try to filter it out. So quantity and just enter. So you can see the smallest quantity is coming up. So you can see 140, 188, and then 499, 640, 769. Okay, so likewise it is arranging the list of product based upon the ascending order of the quantity. Okay, so similarly you can sort your list of product based upon any of the fields. Okay, so this is how you can implement the sorting. Now let me try to implement the pagination. So for that, let me come here to the IntelliJ and go to the product service, and similarly how we have created a method, we need to create the method for the pagination as well. So copy this, come down, paste it out. Let me try to write the name of the method pagination. Okay, and get product with pagination, something like that. Get product with pagination. Okay, and here we need to pass the offset and the page size. Okay, so let me try to remove the field here, int offset and int page size. Okay, now let me try to remove this from here, and what we are doing, we are just paginating the request or the details which is coming from the database. Okay, so with the help of product repository, we are finding out all the records from the database, and then now what we'll do, we'll try to paginate it. So there is a way how you can paginate your coming data. So there is a term called page request. With the help of that, you can paginate your records. So you can see page request off, and you need to provide the offset as well as the size. Now let me try to import this and show you from where it is coming up. So you can see it is coming from the data domain, and here we are getting some error. So the return type should be the page of products, not the list of product. Okay, so let me try to change it to the page, and let me try to import the page as well and just save it. So it is good now. Now what we'll do, we'll try to go to the product controller and create one mapping here. So copy this, come down, and let me try to pass the mapping as a pagination. Okay, and here we need to provide the offset as well as the uh, let me go there. We need to provide the offset as well as the page size. So go to the product controller. Let's say it is offset, and the second one is page size. Okay, and we are passing both of them as a path variable. Okay, offset and path variable, page size, and the offset should be of is integer type, not of string. So let's say it is int, and here we'll try to call the method that we have created. So get product with pagination, and we need to pass the offset as well as the product size. And here again we need to change the return type. So let me try to change it here. So let's say it's page, and then we need to import the page, and we are good. Okay, so just save it, and then yeah, I think we are good. Let me try to rerun this and then show you how it is working. So yeah, our application is up. Yeah, let me go to the postman, and here we need to provide the pagination, and we need to provide the offset, let's say 1, and then what is the page size. So let's say I'm trying to find out 10 record on each page. So just enter 10 and then send it. So you can see offset is 1. So that is why the product is coming from 11. If offset will be 0, so it will come from the 1 to 10. So let me try to hit this API. So you can see your product is coming from ID 1 to go down, down, and you can see you are able to get the 10 product 1 to 10. Okay, because our page size is 10. Now go down, and here you can see these are some of the mappings from pagination. Okay, so you can go through these things. So this is how it is looking like. If you want to increase the page size, let's say you want to display 20 page, so just send it, and you can see 20 products are coming at one go. So this is how you can implement the pagination as well as sorting. Now let me try to hit endpoints where we are combining both pagination as well as the sorting. So how we can implement that? So let me go to the IntelliJ and go to the product service. Let me try to create one service here. So let's say the service name would be get product with pagination and sorting. Okay, so let me try to copy this and paste it here. Return type should be page or product, and let me try to provide it here. Okay, and we are passing the offset, page name, page size, as well as the field by which you want to sort your product. So let's say string field. Okay, and here you can see when we are finding out the products, what we are doing, we are paginating it, and then we need to sort it. So you can use this with sort, and then you can sort it how you are sorting earlier, either ascending or descending order, and you need to pass the field by which you want to sort it. So this is what you need to do. Now let me go to the product controller, and let me create one get mapping and paste it here. Okay, let me try to rename this. So it was pagination, something like that, product. And here let me try to name it like pagination and sorting. Okay, and what we need to provide. So let's say the mapping is pagination and sorting, and we need to provide the offset, page size, as well as we need to provide the field name by which you want to filter out or sort your list of products. Okay, so field, and let me try to copy this. Come here, paste it. Let's say it is a string, and it should be filled. Okay, so we are good. Here we need to provide the page size. So we are good now. Let me try to remove this method and let me try to call the new method that we have created, which is get product with pagination and sorting. And we need to pass all of the arguments. So just we are passing offset, page size and field. Now just save it and then run this application and just wait for a few seconds. And then what we can do, you can let me try to copy this, come to the postman, put it here. We set the offset. Now we want to sort it by quantity. Okay. So we set the offset, we set the page size, and now we are passing the filter or sorting fields. So just enter, and you can see uh, based upon like you are getting 20 products, okay, and based upon the quantity we are sorting it out, okay. So you can go down and list of the product is 20, okay, page size is 20, so that is why we are able to fetch the 20 products and it is being sorted based upon the quantity. Okay, so this is how you can implement the pagination as well as the sorting in your Spring Boot application. So this is about the video, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel for more such content. Thanks.